All right, it's early. It's like 9 o'clock or so here, and I'm here at Kennywood. It's time for KennyKon, an ACE event. We got some behind the scenes. We got some other activities to go see. So I'm ready. Let's go in and check it out. Look at all those people. Look at all that. Now I need to go find my registration table so I can register, get my stuff. Now I gotta go over here and check in to find my part of the alphabet. Okay, I made it in. Had to have my bag searched by security, that's a first. But everything's good. Here we are, it's very quiet. Guess we're heading over to the Jackrabbit. Here we go. Okay, the line just wasn't open yet. That's why it was so long of a line. Okay.
Okay, nice. Oh, you want to watch it go? Okay.
Chucky!
I gotta get in here because I'm tiny.
Get in here!
Yes.
It's good to see you, man.
There we go, look at that. Look at those two, the dynamic duo of Mike and Millie. It's a sitcom coming what, this fall to Netflix.
We're clear. Have a great ride on the Jackrabbit.
Okay, Jackrabbit done. Got that taken care of. Fun as always. Now, I don't know what I'm waiting for right now, but I'm waiting for something. Okay, gonna go back here and look at the train turnaround. Yeah, here we go. Here's the train turnaround.
Welcome back. Just walk your stuff crossing the tracks.
Thank you.
You can sit in any of the ride vehicles.
Ooh.
In this back there.
Watch your step, guys.
What's up, Fairly Amused?
Oh, you know it, man.
Yeah.
We got here at the turnaround with Chucky.
Yeah, man.
We got
ahead, sweetheart.
log
Jump
jammer.
in. Jump in.
There we go, log jammer log right there. Right there. Getting in the log jammer log. Hey, I'm in the log jammer log. Look at that. Right there. Woo!
There you go, Jason.
You gonna take a picture, Chucky? All right.
That's actually a really good. 1, 2. Everyone look here. Go.
I remember going up that. You go up the lift on it. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, here's a car down here, guys. Here's a clock. Here we go. Here's the, number 13.
That's
Turnpike.
why they took it out.
Must be. Oh, I gotta sit in here. Oh. There we go. In the turnpike car. I'm walking down the train tracks. Oh yeah, see now, I'm not gonna be able to fit in those little cars anymore. I remember that ride. I remember this ride.
You want to sit on the trunk?
Yeah, I'd have to sit on the trunk. Yeah, I'm not gonna fit in there anymore. Absolutely.
But you know what? You have the memory.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Those will never, ever, ever disappear.
Absolutely. I love it. The little cars right there. There they are. Good stuff. Okay, so we went around the train, turned around. That was fun. Got to sit in a log jam or some fun old rides there. So now we're gonna head over to the dunk tank. I hear Geno's supposed to be in there, so that ought to be fun.
$1 for 3 balls, $2 for 6. You can do the math. Enjoy yourselves today at the park. But this is my favorite thing in the world, dunking a friend that you didn't think would ever be in the dunk tank. You know what I mean? All right. This goes to a very good cause. It is Give Kids the World. It is a nice storybook, magical place for them to unwind and just create the magic in their lives that maybe they don't get every day. So come on down, support our fabulous, fabulous organization. Oh, so close, so close. All right, if that ball runs away one more time, who's our next contestant?
Geno looks bored. Oh!
Okay, that ball's coming right back at you. Give her a round of applause.
She hit it. She's got to hit a little harder.
Oh!
Might as well get to see it. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go is what he said. That means you gotta dunk him.
And down again.
So good. This is your last toss. Come on, give her some encouragement as she dumps our big friend Geno over there. Oh, he's so close. Put up for him as he attempts to dunk our friend Geno. Ball number two. This is ball number 2, everybody.
Oh! You all right, Geno? There's the official park opening music for the park being open to the general public. Da 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 da. It's photo time, so we're gonna go here in front of the steel curtain. So it is today's exercise in herding cats. Everyone's here, just kind of meandering around, not really sure where they're going. Linda's like, where am I at? What am I doing? Who are these people? It's okay, they've got a ladder. There's a ladder. I better go hide in the back. Mom back. Mom back. It's gonna back up the ladder. There we go. Take a quick break here and ask you, if you like what you see here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, that like. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit subscribe. With that, back to today's adventure. Look, there's Parker. Kennywood Station. Enchanted JLG lift. Woo!
You like your face
There's another one of a kind. Damn!
One day become Kennywood. The land became a popular music spot known as Kenny's Grove. In those early years, visitors
There's that monkey house.
for many years because of the Great Depression.
Yeah, this is where we were we were walking around earlier today.
Guests and employees.
So they got to sit in the log jammer log.
I'm not that old.
Admission was free.
Eventually, the Depression subsided. And in 1936, Kennywood built a new walk-through bus drive, Noah's Ark. Ironically, it was also Pittsburgh's Great St. Patrick's Day flood.
Out of the Depression and
There's the I got to sit in that log jammer log there today.
Kennywood's own radio station, the Voice of
Let's see here.
That name?
I'm
You got the Steel Phantom, Phantom's Revenge in 2001.
We also added other units.
Our Holiday Lights Christmas time celebration. In 2019, Steel Curtain.
In 2022 and 2023.
Okay, names for the trolley. First name from Bolton, Ontario. And I'm saying where he's from because I can't say the name very well. Amadeo Okernek.
Hey, there he is.
Right on schedule.
Next name, Morgan Gathright. Lidditz, PA. Morgan Gathright. Raquel Teeple.
Rocky!
Rocky, they just called your name.
You won! Rocky won! What a way to make an entrance, Rock!
Lynn Huber.
All right, I've got my dinner. I got some sausage, some pasta, some mac and cheese. Yummy. Yeah, Kenny and Jeeters are here. Look at that. Million Jeeters and Kenny. Look at that. Uh-oh. There's Vanessa and Jeeters. Look at that.
I don't wait.
Our event volunteers, there's a whole bunch of people that help make this happen. Whether you're on the rep team, you picked up donuts for the ride operators this morning, you monitored the behind the scenes experience, you worked check-in, you made buttons, whatever you did for this event, please stand up.
Woo!
A big thank you to those of you that helped to do that. And back here is Marie Ruby. Marie Ruby is the Director of Operations of the park. She's responsible for ERT, all the ERT, and the behind the scenes experience, that's all her. So thank you, Marie. And now I want to introduce Kennywood's General Manager, Ricky Spicuzza. I know he is willing to answer a lot of questions too about all the big plans for Ship has, right?
That's right. Hey everyone. Welcome to Kennywood. I was really excited to see these all the new folks that have never been to Kennywood before. So we love to see that. We hope to see you again. But you know, we can't thank you guys enough, and ACE as an organization. You know, not only what you do for Kennywood, but what also you do for the whole industry. So we really appreciate that, but we love the partnership that we have and that you have for Kennywood. So let's give yourself a round of applause for everything you do. There's a lot of exciting things going on in Kennywood and coming up in the future. You may have heard that Kennywood is now owned by Hershey Family Entertainment. Yeah, so we're really excited about that. We're back to a family-owned park, and what I think some of the greatest operators in the industry, and they're right here at Kennywood. If I could tell a quick story, what a few of the CEOs and the executives of Hershey told us is that years ago, when the family sold Kennywood to Parques Reunidos, Hershey was actually, they were upset and said, why did we not get a chance to do that 17 years ago? So they said from that point forward, they always wanted to be available and know if Kennywood was ever for sale. And they said they would never let that happen again. So they've wanted Kennywood for a very, very long time, and we're so glad to have Hershey as our new friends here at Kennywood. We've got a lot more going on, but I just wanted to say too, but I know Bill said it with Marie, but Marie is the one who deserves all the round of applause for what she does for you guys and what she does for the park. There is no Kennywood without Marie here, so make sure you give her the big shout out for coordinating everything for you guys today.
Thank you, Ricky. And I really do have, from little things I've heard, there's really, I think, great things in store here in the future. I don't think next year you're going to see a whole new park, but I think you're going to see some good investments in the park and the parks, Idlewild and whatnot, over the coming years, and things that you're really going to like to see in terms of the attractions as well as the way they're operating. So everybody be happy. If anybody's got any questions, feel free to pop up and talk to me. Otherwise, the most important thing to know here about the schedule, the last announcement. The park is really busy today, if you haven't noticed. Everybody's really happy about the great weather. Like, you know, it rains for every KennyKon. Well, it didn't rain this year. And that's great, except that also means we have great attendance this year. So, a lot of people in the park. So that's a good thing. We do have ERT, it helps out with that. But because the park is so busy, they're going to have a little bit of a drawn-out close tonight. So that means our ERT on Phantom won't start until about 10:15, maybe even a couple minutes later. So anyways, when you hear that 15-minute announcement go on, that's when you want to head over toward the entrance area to the Phantom, and we'll kind of gather everybody there. Once the queue's cleared, we will go ahead and board. You will still get a full hour of ERT. This can be pushed back a little bit. All right? Okay, well, thank you very much for coming. Hope to see you later on at the various activities here at later on, the iPods and the ERT and the parade. Thanks again for coming to KennyKon.
Oh, look at that. They got a turnpike car. Oh, that's awesome. It's Ricky Spicuzza. It's Ricky. That's great. That's funny. I remember those used to be electric. Boogie wuggy wuggy. There's Kenny and Parker in their Mardi Gras outfits. They're throwing stuff at us.
You want the meat?
It's Jeeters. And Jeeters! Woo, Jeeters! Phantom Fall Fest. And what's a parade without Santa? Mardi Gras Santa, look at that. I think that means the parade's over, that Santa's coming through. Santa! As you can see, nighttime has fallen, which is probably good for my skin because I'm red. But here's the pretty lights. Okay. The park's not quite closed yet, but it will be here soon, and it'll be time for ERT on the Phantom's Revenge, right there. Here we go. Oh, there's the nighty night music, and we're heading back for ERT. Nighty night, get out of the park now. La la la. Oh, here it goes. Taps? It sounds like taps.
All the bees. You guys probably know what you know what to do. Seatbelts first, 1 more second. Clearing time, out there. I'm running, now there's going to do it.
We have a special guest on the track. It's God's birthday! All fair. Please, you're welcome. Look over the line. Geno was the ride. All clear. Officer out there on the road, someone's not running the fastest on the stage. Please, you're welcome. Look over the line. Please, you're over the line. Go, please, you're over the line.
It's turtle time! Turtle, turtle!
Vanessa, turtle.
Turtle, turtle. Right, Rock? Turtle? All right. Watch out, Linda's here.
Alright, can you put us turtle number 4, please? We can check. Alright, number 4, and then how many's in your group?
2, I guess.
Can you go to number 4 with them as well?
Yep, sure. I'll put my thing in the loose article box.
Lucky.
Yeah, I'll just jump in without.
Oh, I left it
Wave to the camera, Bob. He left his camera up there.
Riders, at this time, please hold on to the center grab bar and remain seated throughout the entire ride. Enjoy your ride on the turtle.
Oh, that is freaky sounding. Nice. Hey, we got some turtle ERT in there. Did two go rounds. Gonna head back over to the Phantom and maybe see if I can get another ride on that. We'll see.
for joining us today. You may now exit from your rides. Thank you, guys.
Last train of the night.
Greetings and welcome back home to the last one of the day. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Please, dear players, when you're leaving from your ride, please buckle your seatbelts. Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Saw the last train. I was on the second to the last train. That was fun. But now it's time to get the heck out of here and go home. And I'm really sunburned. And here we go. Slip out the mostly closed gate. Oh, right. That's gonna do it. It is almost 11:30. We got here about 9:15 this morning. It's been a long day. It was a busy day. It was a busy park day, but it was a lot of fun. Of course, a big thank you goes out to the folks, all the volunteers at ACE, the staff here at Kennywood that helped make this all possible. But with that, like, subscribe, mash that notification bell, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.